sharpen, please? Thank you. Okay. All of this is going to get cut off. This piece will be the gusset that goes from here and then down through here to help strengthen this to come forward. It'll be way stronger than the Harbor Freight one ever was. And we're going to move to the small vise that we were using last night to work on the J-arm repair for the Menko deuce. Pull it out. Doing some electrical wiring in the shop. We put up a bunch of LEDs just so we can video. We're still wiring LEDs, as you can see. So, but we're not done with the electrical. Why there's wires hanging everywhere. Anytime you're using these cut-off wheels or a grinder wheel, I call them death wheels. I've seen guys where they've shattered and embedded into their jeans or their skin or their abdomen. Just best to use at least safety goggles. And always wear pants and a shirt. Don't ever go out in the shorts and stuff like that. You may have scored it enough that it'll bend. See the hammer from over there, please. And then clean it up with the grinder, clean up the trailing edge. Just back to scrap metal pile. Be done with that today. This is probably warm. I'm going to grab a welding glove. Yeah, she's warm. From the grinding and from the tearing and bending. There's the triangle. Now we're going to use our needle and vice grips to hold it and clean it up with the grinder. one. We're going to clean all the sides of it where we're going to be welding. Good. Yeah. Yes, I did leave a ledge. The purpose for that is so that the tray that I put in here hopefully catches it somewhat, have something to weld to. Now the bottom one I want to cut off because I don't want a spike sticking up. Perfect. Now I need to clean this up. I'm going to weld it to with the grinder. Weld it in. Move back to the welder. Check it. Make sure she still looks straight. Good penetration. way stronger than the Harbor Freight Car.